Hey guys, welcome to our channel and I am Rajvi. Today I am going to show you how to make eco-friendly Ganesha. So as we all know that Ganesh Chaturthi is coming through and even lockdown is there. So I am sure that no one will be going out and purchasing Ganesha. So I decided to make homemade Ganesha by turmeric. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, as we decided to make an homemade Ganesha, so we'll be needed all our ingredients from our home kitchen. So now let me show you all the ingredients that we need. So we need sugar powder 1/4 cup, turmeric 1 cup, maida or all-purpose flour 1 cup and raw milk 1 cup also. We'll be also needing a mixing bowl and a spoon. So now let's start making the dough for Ganeshji's idol. So first we'll be adding turmeric 1 cup to the mixing bowl. Oops. So as we added our turmeric, now we need to add our maida, which is also 1 cup. And remember to put all the things which is there in the cup. The next thing we have to put is sugar powder 1/4 cup. Now we are going to take a spoon and start mixing our dough which we prepared. So I'm going to mix all the things which we added in this. And yeah, remember to add the raw milk slowly. And yeah, we are going to add the milk 1/4 cup at once. So now let's just mix it one more time and now let's add our milk. So I have my 1/4 cup measurement and I'm going to fill up the milk of 1/4 cup. So as you can see that I filled my milk in 1/4 cup. So now I'm going to take it slowly and add it on my dough. And now we are going to mix it again. Okay, so guys, now I'm done with my dough, which is like that. And I'm also done with my hands with turmeric or yellow clay. And I'm sure whoever is making this dough for the Ganeshji will have the same hands as mine. Okay, so guys, you have to see my dough that the consistency of my dough is so soft and it should be the same as mine if you are making this. And make sure that it should be like the same and same softness and consistency so that it's easy to make the idol. So guys, now our next step to do this dough is to cover the dough with a dish or a lid for 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, there is a next step to do. So that next step I will tell you after 15 minutes. Okay, so guys, after 15 minutes, open the lid and then knead again well. Okay, so guys, I have kneaded a bit and you guys also need to do that. So then, after this, our next step, which I was going to tell you, is you have to make balls for Ganeshji's body parts. Okay, so guys, I have made 10 balls. So I'll show you which all we have to make. So there should be 1 large ball for the body or the stomach, 2 medium balls for the face and the base, 2 smalls for the ears, again 2 smalls for the hands, and 2 bigs, 2 mediums for the legs, and 1 last but not the least, 1 small one for the trunk, which is an important part of Ganeshji. So these all are the 10 balls which you need to make. So we are going to make the base first. For the base, we'll be needing 1 medium-sized ball. So I take one of the medium-sized ball and place it on a flat surface where we are going to make the Ganeshji. And place it on there and press it. Okay, so guys, now I pressed it and this is how it looks. Now we have to take a large ball and put it in an oval shape. Put it in a very nice oval shape because this is the body of it, or the stomach of Ganesh. Now as our oval shape is ready, we'll put it at the back side of the base. Okay, so guys, I have put it at the back and this is how it looks like. Now for sticking it together with the base and thing, take some water on your hand or finger and do it like that. Take the skin and put it at the down base. Do it do it in the whole thing. Okay, so guys, take some water on your finger and put it like this as a smooth surface so that it sticks together and bees nicely. Like this. So we'll take the legs ball and roll it and make it in a stick way with our stuff. So these two are for the legs, these two sticks are for the legs, and these two sticks are for the hands. Okay, so guys, now we have to take one of the stick of the legs and with your thumb press the last part of it. Like this. Now do the same into the other. Now take your hand sticks, take one and put it in the shape of V. Do it really slowly so that it can become nice. Do the same V into the other. Perfect. Okay, so guys, I have already put in the one of the leg. I'm putting the second one in front of you. So put the thing at the back like that, and then put this at the front and just do like that and stick it at the back. And there you go, your legs are sticked. Okay, so guys, as you can see that this is how it looks like, and it's looking so beautiful only from now. And as you can see that I have mingled it so much that it doesn't even look that I sticked it. It's so nice sticked, and you can do the same finishing with the help of water. I have done like that, and it's really looking awesome. And yeah, you have to make a similar finishing if you want the same multi as mine. Okay, so guys, I've already stick one of the hand, which is like that. I'm going to show you the other one. So put it like that, and yeah, add water in first, and then just spread it. Take some water and spread it, and put it like in. Okay, so guys, I have put both the hands, and now is the next step that you have to put it like that front, and in one you have to put it as a laddu or a modak and press it with your thumb like that, and there should be like a blessing, and it should be up, and press it. So this is for the blessings and this is for the modak. Okay, so guys, now the idol is ready. Now it's time for the face. But before that, we are going to take one of our finger and put it, press it in the middle, in the center or the middle, in the center of the body. for putting the face which is exact. Now take the medium ball and put it upon there nicely. Time for the most important part, which is the trunk. So guys, we have to make the trunk in this shape, like this one, and then we have to put it over here like that. Let's see how do we do that. Take some water on your finger and put your trunk, and make sure to do like this wavy type, and there you go. And guys, you know there's a good news that only our ears is pending for our Ganesha, and then our Ganesha will be ready. Okay, so guys, now it's time to do the ears, which is the last part. So that too is our small balls. Now just press them and put it in the shape of an ear of Ganesh's ear. So I have pressed it in this way, and this is how them looks, and now we have to stick them. Okay, so guys, my Ganesh is ready, and you want to look? Have a look. So I will show you my whole Ganesh from all the sides. So this is the front side. As we go back, we see the back side. This is the back side. You can do like this, finishing by the water. And even in the front, if you want the finishing seam, you can do it from the water. So guys, this is how my Ganesha looks like. Hope you like this Ganesha. Okay, so guys, now it's time for the next step to do in this Ganesha. So you remember that we made the hands for taking the laddu and the blessings. So the laddu part, we have to make a laddu with our dough. So I had made a laddu with the dough. So I'll put it on this hand which we made, and this is how it looks like. Now it's time for the eyes of Ganeshji. You'll be thinking where the eyes, but we'll be doing the eyes also. You'll be thinking with what will we be doing the eyes? We'll be doing it with black pepper. Take 2 black peppers. As you can see, this one and this one. So place them both. I'm going to change the peppercorn or the black pepper, and I'm going to put it over here. So one over here and the other over here too. Okay, so guys, this is how my eyes looks like. It looks really cute and awesome. So now guys, it's time for the teeth. So I have taken this toothpick and I have cut into pieces like this. So one should be of the front part of it and the other should be in the middle part of it, which is this one. As ek dantaya means like only one will be cut and one is the full. So we are going to put one cutted and one full. So now the tooth looks like. The one which you did from the front part should be like that, and the cut which you did from the middle, you have to do it like that. Like this is the cut one and this is the whole one. Now guys, it's time for the mukut. So with the extra dough, you have to put these all stuff. Like I had made like this, like this stuff. Then I had made an stuff like an gold stuff, and upon then the biggest one, the up one, this one. So first let's put. Okay, so guys, now it's time for decorating a Ganeshji. And you can see the mukut, it's like that. So, take a paper and fold it in these many ways. These many parts. After you fold it, take it over here, up of the eyes and do like that. 1, 2 and 3 up of it. And then also do it in the trunk. So I'm going to do it like that, and I'm going to do it in the whole trunk. You can do it in your way. So this is how it looks. Okay, so guys, now it's time to decorate more to Ganeshji. So we'll be needing this color. If you don't have these, you can use paints, or you can use nail polish. So we have all these colors. This is for the Tilak, Satya and all. So, oh, guys, I was just decorating my Ganesha. You want to have a look at my decoration? Let's see. So this is my decoration of my Ganesha. As you can see that I have decorated many things. You can decorate it in your way. And I have made this laddu into a modak, as Ganeshji loves modak. I'll tell you what all I have done. I have done tilak over here. I have done even in the trunk, like big to small. I have done on the legs some of the cone type of decoration, and in the hand I have done like a satya. In his ears also I have done dots, and in his mukut I have done like this in the first 3, and in this I have done red color. So this is how my Ganesha's decoration is. You can do your Ganesha's decoration as you like. So, as you know that even Ganeshji has a Vahan called Moshik Vahan. So, even we have to make that for our Ganesha. So, I've already made that. You can see this Moshik Vahan. I have kept the same eyes of the black pepper. And this is how you can make it. It's really simple. Just make the shape like this. Give the shape like of a mouth and give the tail. Just expand it. So we keep the Moshik Vahan like that. So even Lord Ganesha loves laddus, right? So I have prepared some laddus for Lord Ganesha. I have made a dish with our extra dough and I have kept it like this. I have made some laddus too. You can even make some laddus and put it, or you can also put modak, but I have put laddus. So I will show you my laddus. I have put all my laddus. I have made 5 laddus. You can make how much you like. So, my laddus are ready. You can put it in the way. So yeah, this is how my whole Ganesha is. Okay, so guys, I was just doing the last part of our Ganeshji, which is a cotton thread as a janoi. So you can see the cotton thread. So this is how it looks like. This is the final look of a Ganeshji. To offer a Ganeshji some flowers and prayers. So let's offer them. I'm offering this sunflower, flower and a rose too. And I've kept some rose at the beside also. Let's pray now. Ekadantaya Vakratundaya Gauri Tanayaya Dhimahi Gajeshanaya Bhalachandraya Shri Ganeshaya Dhimahi Shri Ganeshaya Dhimahi Shri Ganeshaya Dhimahi Ganpati Bappa Moria. Okay, so guys, as my prayer and my flowers are also offered to God, and now it's completed. So now this is the end of the video. Hope you guys like this video, and if you guys made this Ganesha, please comment your experience and your photos. So please like, share and subscribe to Chatako and keep watching more videos on Chatako. Till that time, bye!